ENGR lift on, and we built the tripod, and his name is Steve.
Alright, so basically what it does, same exact thing as the last group. You just press the button, goes and gets the ball, comes back, clap, and then it follows the black line around and basically stops and twirls around in circles.
So what we did to program it was, originally we started with the tutorial and just kind of went through all that. And then we lost all of our data from that, so I went and remade the entire thing. And basically we just made it so it would go up, grab the ball and back up to the line, and then it would just go around the entire thing. But we had to change it about 10 times plus because it kept messing up.
Okay, some of the difficulties we had was the front end, the chassis that's holding the claws together would come unhinged. So we tried several workarounds, such as the pins that are holding it together. We tried to lengthen it, and that didn't quite work because the rotation parts for the wheels were interfering with it. So we took the retaining pins and went from the bottom up, but that didn't work either. So what we ended up doing is kind of going with a longer pin and just putting it in there, even though it didn't seat flush. It kind of delays it coming unhinged, but that was the best workaround we could come up with because the solution that we really wanted to use doesn't fit with the design of the actual unit. The contact sensor, sometimes again when the claws were activated, that same part would come undone. This time it was because of the force of the claws closing. And again, we just went with a longer retaining pin. Another problem was that it sits too low. So one of the workarounds we had with that is taking the controller module and just sitting it further back. So when it did close, the weight wasn't so far forward that it was dipping into the ground. We tried putting wheels underneath, but that didn't work out either. So we kind of sort of left things as where they are now. Jerking motions, as it was going around the track, it was, correcting too often. So what the correction for that was, we just simply slowed it down. And then battery issues, which you all got to experience. And now we kind of ran into that a little sooner than others, so it kind of slowed down our project. So a lot of the things that we wanted to do, lack of batteries kind of sort of stalled us. So that's where we are with Steve, and those were the problems that we had.
All right, and if you guys all want to come up here, I'll demonstrate.
Just move right on.
The batteries are probably dead.
Yeah.
We did earlier today.
Really? Did you turn off the robot when you?
Yeah, it's, for some reason we're just not having luck with batteries. I went out to a store and bought batteries, and they never work properly.
And it's going really slow because the batteries are dead.
So it didn't go far enough back either.
Yeah.
Can you move a little bit because there's a. Oh, it just
Yeah, I found the.
a little bit upward.
Again, that's a part of the problem with the batteries not being fully charged, or at least close to charge, because it didn't return to the start position, which would make the restart a lot simpler. Even though it's jerky now, we just couldn't fine tune it any more than that, but it's a lot better than what it was.
Okay. Okay. Any question? Yep. Thank you.